students, welcome to my YouTube channel. The topic of today's lecture is the reagent specific for the syn addition on alkene and alkyne. Let's start the topic. The reagent number 1. First reagent is Bayer's reagent. What is Bayer's reagent? Cold alkaline KMnO4. Cold alkaline KMnO4 is known as the Bayer's reagent. When this Bayer's reagent will react with the alkene molecule, then the product of this reaction is the addition of two OH molecule in syn manner, either on towards the viewer or away from the viewer. Clear? Next reagent, osmium tetraoxide in the presence of peroxide, any peroxide. When this reagent reacted with the alkene molecule, then the product will be the same, similar to the above. Addition of two OH molecule either on towards the viewer or away from the viewer. Due to the addition of two OH molecule, the both reaction is also known as hydroxylation reaction. Clear? This is known as hydroxylation reaction. Now move to the next reagent. Third one is H2, addition of H2 in the presence of nickel, platinum and palladium. When this reagent reacted with any alkene, for example, we will take the example of this alkene. In the presence of H2, then two hydrogen atom will be added in syn manner. Will be added in syn manner and product will be the alkane. Clear? Similar, when the same reagent reacted with the alkyne molecule also in the presence of same catalyst, first of all it will form cis alkene. Clear? When one mole of another H2 will reacted, then it will form the another alkane molecule. Addition of again two hydrogen atom in syn manner. Clear? Now move to the next reagent. Next reagent is Lindlar's catalyst. What is Lindlar catalyst? H2 in the presence of PdPsO4 is the Lindlar catalyst, and this Lindlar catalyst when reacted with the alkyne molecule, then it will form the addition of two hydrogen molecule in syn manner and the product will be the cis alkene. Both are the hydrogenation reaction. Clear? Now move to the next reagent. The third reagent is hydrazine in the presence of H2O2. When this reagent reacted with the alkyne molecule, hydrazine in the presence of H2O2, then the product also the cis alkene. Clear? तो हमने 5 reagent cover कर दिए हैं. तो और कौन कौन से थे एक बार रिवाइज करें. फर्स्ट वन इज Bayer's reagent. सेकेंड वन ऑस्मियम टेट्राऑक्साइड. दोनों में क्या हुआ था? 2 OH का एडिशन हुआ था. नेक्स्ट H2 इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ Ni प्लेटिनम. नेक्स्ट लिंडलार कैटलिस्ट. क्या था? हाइड्रोजिनेशन. ये भी क्या है? हाइड्रोजिनेशन. लास्ट वन क्या था? NH2 हाइड्रोजन इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ H2O2. क्लियर? अच्छे से क्लियर हो गया. सिर्फ 5 रिएजेंट थे. आज हमने कवर कर लिया सिन एडिशन के रिएजेंट्स को हमने कवर कर लिया. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम ट्रांस एडिशन के रिएजेंट्स को भी कवर करेंगे. तो आज का लेक्चर इतना काफी है आज के लिए, आपके लिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. All the best. Bye bye.